Do you want to react a message on Twitter X? You can react direct messages on X with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To react to a message on your X account. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on the messages icon at the bottom of the screen. This will open your direct messages section. Now, tap on the conversation where the message is located. Scroll and find the message you want to react to. Press and hold the message for a few seconds. A reaction menu with different emojis will appear on your screen. Now, tap on the emoji reaction you want to use. Your selected reaction will instantly appear below the message. The other person will also be able to see your reaction. If you want to change or remove the reaction, press and hold the same message again. Then tap on a different emoji to change the reaction.